After the second coat, the last thing we need to do is put a knob or a pull right in the front of the drawer. Now I'm going to put a knob, but if you would like a pull, I've got a drawer full of them. Just pull the drawer out and take the tray out, and you can find knobs and pulls both. One of them has one screw, the other one has two. So in this case, I only need one. And first I need to identify the exact center of this. Now since I only need it in the middle, it's very simple. I simply get a straight edge and put it from one corner to another, and then draw a light, not a very dark, but a nice light line with a pencil. Then I do the same the other direction. Right there, and there, right there. And then basically where the lines meet, that's the center. We're gonna drill a 3/16 hole. Here's the drill bit already set up. Put it right on that dot and straight through. Now, find whichever one you chose, put it in from the other side and just tighten it up. If you need a screwdriver to tighten it from the other side, that's fine. Sometimes they slip, but now you've got your handle in. Put your drawer inside, everything works perfectly. Last but not least, get a grade, take a piece of tape, tape it on top, write your name, Mr. E, A2, and your period, and then turn it in the classroom. I hope you enjoyed this demonstrations and building this wonderful table, and that'll last for years to come.